All right. So the next phase of your writing an ebook journey and selling it is the phase of formatting and finishing. Now, when we talk of formatting, this is a phase whereby you proofread the ebook, you make some spelling corrections, some punctuation corrections, then you add pictures where necessary. You make sure that the pictures are in place. If you want to, if there are places where you will add pictures, any illustration that you want to give, you just make sure that your book is in place, no mistakes. Now, is there a guarantee that you can have a book without any mistake? Yes, there is guarantee, but there is always also um um there's always also room for omitted mistakes. Omitted mistakes. Now, it is called the writer's devil. There are some books you read, you definitely see one or two little mistakes, but your book will be bad if from the beginning of your book to the end of your book is full of grammatical errors, punctuational mistakes, and a whole lot of mistakes that can be corrected, and but because you ignored it. So you don't just write and ignore. You after you must have written, then you proofread. You can pay somebody to proofread. There are people whose skills are to proofread. They will edit your English, they will edit your punctuation, they will format it for you, they will do the corrections, or you can do it yourself. And one of the ways to get it done by yourself better is to read it out. Don't read in your mind. When you are reading your book, read it out. As you read it out, it's going to sound the where you make mistakes, you are going to notice it, and you will now make the corrections. So then this is the second stage. Now, also in this second phase, we have the finishing. Now, after you must have formatted your book and you are sure that yes, this is okay. Now you now talk about either saving it as a PDF or as a Word document, which conventionally it should be in a PDF form, while the original manuscript can be in a Word document, so that you can easily edit it. Now the original manuscript belongs to you, while the PDF is the one that you will sell to people when they download and pay for your book. Now, you see, the next point, or the next phase, or the next step in this phase is finishing. Now, at this point, you now design your e-cover. You take your time to design. There are graphic designers that you can pay a little token to design your your ebook. Now, if you want to do it yourself, if you want to design your e-cover yourself, as the writer, you should have a mental picture of how you want the e-cover to look like. You should have a mental picture of how you want the e-cover to look like. Now, you can go to canva.com. Canva is a graphic tool, an online graphic tool that has so many templates that you can just pick one and edit, change the title, change the pictures, change the font, the color, and any other thing you want to change, and you get your e-cover ready. So you can do it yourself by going to Canva, but you must have a mental image of how you want your e-cover to be, how you want the graphic of your e-cover to be. Then I also want to point out something. In this finishing process, you must have decided on the title of your book. Now, you must have decided on the title and the subtitle. Now, let me explain. I didn't capture it here, but let me explain that for you. Now, you may have a wonderful book, but the title might make your book not to sell better. So, at this second stage, you also need to decide on your title. Now, how can you get a better title? First of all, as a writer, you will definitely have a title at the back of your mind. Now, you can take a souvenir, ask friends, ask people around you. If you are new into it, then you have to ask questions. But if you have been there, if you have been someone who is in the business already, then you can ask your your readers, those that have been buying your books, about your new book and or what they want to learn. Now when you ask them what they want to learn, and they will tell you, now you can pick titles from there. So your title plays a lot of role when it comes to selling your ebook and people getting attracted to your ebook. So at this finishing stage, you must have decided on your title. You must have decided on the subtitle of your book, and that is what you would use in designing your e-cover. So I will be talking more on the title subsequently in this tutorial. So this is what you should do, or what you should be planning to do in the second phase, that is the phase of formatting and then finishing your ebook. So we'll go over to the third phase. All right, so I hope you're following the teaching, and I hope it's making sense to you. So let's talk about the third phase. This is another important phase. Every phase is important. Every phase is important. So now you have finished writing your book. You have gotten the idea. You have finished formatting it and designing your e-cover. Now you want to get ready to launch, to sell. Now this is the third phase, the sales phase. Now here you need to understand these things I've just outlined here. Now the first thing you need to understand is, in the sales phase, you need to understand who your audience are, who your readers are. Who are your readers? Now every book has a reader. Every book has a purpose for which it is written. Every book has a target, a solution, a reason for the writing or the production of such book. Now, and is not successful until it gets to the hand of your reader, and your reader gets value from it. So you must understand who your audience or readers are. Who are your readers? Now, if I'm writing a book on how to design a website, now I should understand that my audience are young people who are technologically inclined, who are tech enthusiasts. That is on a wider note. Now, at the same time, I should also understand that my audience are people who should be between 20 years to 40 years or 35 years, because at this age people are really passionate and enthusiastic to learn. I should also understand that these people must be interested in technology, not just interested in technology, must be interested in web design. They should be people who really want to who love web design, who are asking questions: how can I design a website? How can I own a website? Or how can I make money from web design? So I should understand my audience. Now if I'm writing a book on health issue, I should also understand my audience. So now, for your sales to be successful, you need to have a good understanding of your audience, or your reader. Let me change this to reader so that it will make better sense to you. All right. So you have to have an understanding of your reader. Then the next step is your sales message. Your sales message. Now, you don't just put up an ebook there and just like that. No, there should be a story or a message backing up your ebook. Now, when somebody sees your ebook, there should be a compelling force, a little write up, a sequence that takes or convinces the person about your book. Not just your title alone. Your title does the first job, but then in selling, you should have a sales message. Your sales message needs to tell your reader, your prospective reader, what his problem is, you need to make the person understand that yes, you understand that he has such problem or such challenge, and this is what he or she is facing. Now you also make the person understand that there is solution for that, that these are the components your sales message should have, that there is a solution for that, and in your book the person will find solution. Then in the same sales message, you should also send a signal, a message across to your reader that he should trust you because you have had experience, or you are talking of out of experience or out of someone else's experience, and you have results. You have results. Now, also, the same sales message should contain benefits the person will get, your reader will get in purchasing your ebook. So you see, by the time your sales message has these components, it becomes it becomes irresistible. Someone will not just ignore your book again because you have really touched their pain point and you have answered the questions. So your sales message should contain the questions people will ask, and it should dissolve the doubts. It should dissolve the doubts that they will have in purchasing your book. So now in terms of sales too, in terms of sales, you also need to look at delivery platform. Now, your delivery platform. Are you delivering your ebook? Are they downloading it from which of the platforms? Now, depending on your audience, are you sending it to them via email, or are you uploading it into a cloud platform where they will download it from? So yeah, you must put this thing into consideration, and your delivery platform should be something that is easy, not something that they have to um, ask questions. How can I download it? How can I get it? So it should be something that as soon as they make payments, they will have access to it. And one of such delivery platforms that can serve you is Google Drive. Google Drive is one of such good platforms. There are others too. We have Dropbox, we have a mega.mz, so you can search it up. So now the next thing you need to talk about is your payment system. Now here, there could be a challenge here because there are, I don't know, I have so many students from different countries: US, Nigeria, UK, Ghana, Kenya, Cameroon, South Africa. I have different students. I have different, even from India. Now, despite where you are watching from, now you need to have a payment system. Now, if you are targeting a global audience, then your payment system should be one that your global audience um, will easily use to pay you. Now, if you're also targeting just your local audience, let's say your country, which if you are a beginner, it is best to target your country. And if your question may be, are there people in my country who will buy? There are millions of people, hundreds of thousands of people who will buy from your country. So that is the answer. So now you should choose a payment system. Now there are two ways you can get your payment. People are no longer afraid to make payments online. That phobia is going out from the heart of people. That's phobia of making payment online. People are now embracing it. So now you can choose an online platform based on your country. There are so many platforms now that allows entrepreneurs to receive payment online. So you can set up one. All you need to do is to just Google it, and you will set up one. Now, some of these platforms are for a particular country, and some of the platforms don't accept some countries. Now, for those of you, I'm in the UK, US, Europe, and some part of Asia. you can make use of PayPal, Stripe, and any other payment solution in your country. Now, for those of you within some Asian country too, you can make use of InstaJumo. Then, for those of you in Africa, you can make use of um, Seller. You can make use of Paystack, Flutterwave. In Nigeria, um, there are a whole lot of them. But the best thing you do for yourself is to simply Google payment processor, payment system in your country. You will find a whole lot of them. Now you check their terms and how their mode of operations, and you make use of it. Now, basically, I use Flutterwave. Flutterwave helps me to accept payment both in dollars, in pounds, in naira, and in other currencies. Now, if I use dollars, it means that wherever you are, you can easily pay for my courses, because I will just convert the amount in dollars and you can pay. So, but I still make room by having other currencies. So you must have a good payment system. Now, another payment method you can use is your bank account. There are people that may want to pay into your bank account directly. So don't be afraid. You see, if you know that you are not selling junk, if you know that your ebook is not substandard, you are really providing value. There is no need to to be afraid. People pay. There are so many online entrepreneurs, business owners that give out their account number for their customers to pay them. So you can give out your account number too. I do that. People pay me through my bank, and I even have people from the UK, from the US, who pay me through my bank. All I need to do is, at such point, I give them what they call a Swift code. So it depends on your country and their mode of operations. So you can give people your payment, your bank accounts, and they will pay you, or you can set up an online payment system, and they will use that payment system to pay you, or you can have both, so that you will not lose out any money. Then the next thing you consider in this phase is your advert method. Now, are you going to sell your book with organic advert method, or are you going to do it with paid advert method? Now, we call it organic traffic and paid traffic. So I will suggest you employ both. Now, how do you use organic traffic? You use organic traffic by using your platform. Now, you are on Facebook, you are on Instagram, you are on YouTube, you are on Twitter, you are on Telegram, you are on WhatsApp, you have an email list, you are on LinkedIn. Any platform that you have already, whichever platform that you are operating on, and you have people following you, friends and families, you can utilize such platforms. Now, the difference between organic traffic, organic paid method, and the paid traffic is that here you work with your time. You take out your time. You research on groups, forums that you can post on and tell them about your book, and the people who are interested will pay you. Or you simply put out $10, $5 to advertise your book on Facebook, especially Facebook. Let me not divert your attention to other platforms. On Facebook, because Facebook has over 2 billion users. Yes, and they have buying power. Facebook can help you grow your business, make sales. 90% of people who sell ebooks make use of Facebook. Yes, they make use of Facebook. So now you can just put out $10, $5 to advertise to your target audience, because you already understand who needs your book. Then you advertise to them, and you just see the sale coming in. You will see the sale coming in. Then after you have done this, the next thing is to scale. Since it's a business, you need to scale. You now think of you now think of how to improve on your business, write more books that are related. Now, this scaling has to do with getting more readers, building your audience, building your followers. Now, writing more books that are related to the ones you have written so that your audience will buy. By the time you start advertising and sales start coming in, the next thing you need to think of is to scale your business, write more books, grow your audience, and the money keeps coming and you keep growing. So you see, these are the 3 stages of getting your ebook done and ready to be sold. And it's simple. It's simple. It is very, very, very simple. There is no magic there. There is no complexity in it. There is no techie thing. It's not techie. You can do it with your phone. You can do it with your laptop. All these things I have explained, you can do it with your phone or with your laptop. Just like I told you, the aim of this course is to show you how to start making money by writing ebook as small as 5-page ebook can be using your phone. Now, I don't teach a course that someone who does not have phone cannot do. Now, there are some people that don't have laptops, but they have their mobile phone, their iPhones, their Android phones, their smartphones. You can use your smartphones to do all I have said. So these are the 3 steps, and I want you to have that mindset that you can do it. It is easy. Okay, so let's look at the necessary tools, the basic tools you need to write your ebook. Now, the first tool you need is your phone or your laptop. That is the first thing. If you have a laptop, fine. If you have a phone, beautiful. So now you can use WPS. WPS is an app for mobile phone. You can use it to type your book and format it and also convert it to PDF. Now you can use Word document, Microsoft Word document, MS Word for laptop, and for phone too. It has a mobile version of the software. Now you can use WhatsApp. These are the tools. Yes, WhatsApp. Yes. How can you use WhatsApp? This is for people who don't have laptops. Now, your WhatsApp will become the platform where you will use to sell your book. You will sell your book via WhatsApp or via Telegram, especially WhatsApp. You sell your book via WhatsApp. So you need the tool WhatsApp, and everybody has WhatsApp. Almost 7 out of 10 persons you meet are on WhatsApp. Yes. So for people who don't have laptop, then you need WhatsApp. Now, for those who have laptop, you don't really need WhatsApp because you will be having access to a simple page builders online that you can use to sell your book. Then you also need Canva. Canva is an app for graphics. You can easily design graphics with Canva. Now you need Facebook or Instagram. It's a platform whereby you announce your book and you sell your book. So you need this too. Now you also need InstaBuilder. InstaBuilder, this is for people who have laptop. Now this InstaBuilder for people who have laptop. For those who have phone, you don't need InstaBuilder. InstaBuilder does not have an app version, so it won't work for you. Your WhatsApp is what will work for you with phone. Now for those who have laptop, there's a software called InstaBuilder. You use this software to build to create your sales page, to create your landing page. You use it to create mini websites in the next 10 to 20 minutes. Yes. And you have a mini website you will use to sell your book. So it's something you need to do or operate with laptop. So why those who don't have laptop, you use WhatsApp to do it. Then you also need autoresponder. These are the basic tools you need for your book to sell. Now autoresponder is a software that helps you respond to people, respond to your readers, and follow them up so that they will buy your book. Now, autoresponder has both laptop version, web version, whereby you can utilize it best with laptop, and it has also app version whereby those that have phone can make use of it. And there is WhatsApp autoresponder. It works with WhatsApp too. So if you have these two, especially if you have a phone and a laptop, you have Microsoft Word. That is the basic. You are on WhatsApp or on Facebook, then you are good to start creating your ebook and selling your ebook. So would you want me to help you start creating ebooks and making money from it? How would you love it if I should show you a step-by-step practical guide? Not just that, I'll also give you access to a private group for mentorship. So invariably, I'll be holding you by the hands to make sure that you get your ebook ready and you start profiting with it. Now, how would you love that? Would you want to be part of that? So if that is a yes from you, then let me introduce ebook to profit to you. So this is a step-by-step practical guide that shows you how to create an ebook and sell them online, even if you are not a writer. So this practical course, has 5 modules, and we have created the course in such a way that whether you are using laptop or you are using phone, we will definitely get you served and you will start making money with your ebook. We designed it for both phone users and for laptop users. So now the course has 5 modules, and in module 1 we'll be discussing introduction to ebook creation, how to find ideas to write a book on, how to write and format your book, how to get your book outsourced if you don't want to write it, where to find quality already written books to sell and keep 100% of the profit, how to get best-selling titles for your book. Then I also give you a 10 days implementation formula to get your book ready and selling within 10 days in the module 1. Now in module 2, we will show you top niches to create your ebooks on, tools for creating and formatting your ebook. We will give you the tools, how to create and format your ebook, how to convert your ebook into a PDF, and elements of a good e-cover, how to create and design a beautiful e-cover for your book, how to design a 3D e-cover for your book. Now the same thing also applies to phone users. Now phone users, the difference here is that phone users, there is a slight change in their module 2. Module 2 is being narrowed down to using your phone, and the same thing applies to phone users. Top niches to create ebooks on, tools for creating ebooks, that is apps, how to create and format your ebook, how to convert your ebook, how to know the qualities and elements of a good e-cover, how to design your e-cover, how to design a 3D e-cover. We'll be showing you how to do this with your phone if you are a phone user. Now module 3 will be showing you how to create a sales page for those of you using laptop, how to create opt-in page, how to create thank you page, how to create email automation to sell your book. That is for those of you using laptop. Now for those of you using phone, we'll be showing you how to use your WhatsApp to sell your ebook. This is a full course on its own. The details of the course are so much. It's a full blown course on its own. I will be giving you that course, showing you how to use it, how to use your WhatsApp to to sell your ebook, because this time around you are not going to create opt-in pages and the rest of them like those of them that have laptop. So we'll be showing you how to use it, how to sell your ebook with your phone. It's a full course. We'll take you step by step on that. We'll also show you how to automate your WhatsApp messages. That is for phone users, how to automate your WhatsApp messages to sell your book and connect to your readers. And then we have module 4. Module 4 will show you how to convert your readers to buyers, payment processors you can use to receive payment, how to create your sales page that will make people buy your book. We'll show you how to structure your sales page, the things that need to be in your sales page for it to be irresistible. Now we'll also show you how to scale your ebook business. Then in module 5 we'll be discussing about traffic and marketing of your ebook, free traffic and marketing strategies to sell your ebook, paid traffic and marketing strategies too to sell your ebook. Then we'll be also showing you Facebook marketing, how to sell your ebooks using Facebook ads. So now the difference is that for laptop users, your module 2 and your module 3 is different from mobile phone users, but the rest of the modules, the module 1 and module 4 and 5 are the same, but in module 3 it has to deal with laptop users specifically, and module 4 and module 3 also has to deal with phone users. So now if you are getting this course, if you don't have a laptop, then you have to opt in for the mobile phone course, while if you have a laptop, you also opt in for the for the laptop aspect of it. Okay, so now this course costs $47, but hold on, don't panic. I want to help you. Okay, don't just panic. Now I'm not just only giving you this course, I'm also giving you super bonuses. Now I'm going to give you 30 checklists to define your exact audience that will buy your book. You know, it's one thing to write a book, and it's another thing to know the people your book is meant for. And I will show you how to define your exact audience, your exact readers who will buy your book. I also show you this bonus. I sell this checklist for $3, but I will be giving it to you for free. Now I also show you how to know if your book idea is profitable. Yes, if your book idea is profitable, this course I sell it for $7.90, that is approximately $8, but I will be giving it to you for free. Now I also give you free autoresponder that you can use to automate your sales. Now these autoresponder tools cost $18 per month. So imagine when you are paying for one full year, but I'll be showing you the free ones that you can make use of, and not only few people know about this, but I will be handing over this information to you. I'll be also giving you a special software called InstaBuilder software that will help you to build your sales pages, opt-in pages, and squeeze pages and thank you pages. Is a special website building software. I will give it to you, and it worth $47. And I'll be giving you access to my private mentorship. Now people who call me for private mentorship, they pay $100 per month. That is the minimum, that's the least I charge above that, but for a start they pay $100. But here I'll be giving you access to my private mentorship. Now all these bonuses worth $1,275.09. So these are the things I will be giving you for free. Now just think about this. The cost of the course is $47 plus the cost of the bonuses you'll be getting for free. So you will be actually spending $1,300 to get this course. But you see, I want to help you, and I have cut the cost for you. Now instead of paying almost $1,000 plus, I want you to pay just $13 for this course. Now $13 is for each of the version. Now if you want to get the mobile phone version, you are paying $13. If you want to get the laptop version, whereby you can use your system, your laptop to carry out these processes, you're also paying $13. But if you want to get both versions, then I'll give it to you for a paltry sum of $20, because I want to help you. And that is why I have actually reduced the cost of this course, so that each and every one of you watching this video right now will benefit from it, and in the next 20 to 30 days you will start making money with your ebook. So if you are excited about this, and if you want to grab this offer, so just head over to this website that you are seeing right here. Now we accept any kind of payment from any country. Now don't bother about issues with payment. The payment processor we are using will definitely process your payment, whether you're from UK, US, or any part of Africa or Asia. Okay, so just visit this link, and also somewhere around this video, either in the description box or in the resource file, somewhere around this video, you will find this link, or in your email you will see this link. So just click on the link to make payment, and I will see you on the other side, and I will guide you to start making money with your ebook, with your knowledge. So I want to say thank you for taking your time to listening to me, to go through this short tutorial, and I hope that you got value, and I hope that you are ready to take a step forward to start making money with ebook online. Thank you, and see you on the other side. Bye bye.